Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about addition and subtraction of fraction, but in this one, I will give you variable in the expression. So in last video, you already learned how to addition or subtraction between two different denominator fractions. So for this one, we continue with that, but you can see in the example 1 and 2 in this screen, we have h in denominator. Okay, so how can you work with this kind of exercise? The same method as addition and subtraction fraction. And for this one, you have to change from different denominator to equivalent denominator. And you have here, you got two number in denominator is 2 and 5. The first number is 2, I will multiply by the second number. And the second number is 5, I will multiply by the first number 2. So this writing will tell you about the next operation. X over 2 and 5 here, and you got 5 times x and 5 times 2. 5 times x, you got 5x, and 5 times 2, you got 10. The second one, you got 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. So after the first step, you will have two fractions with same denominator. So the next step, I will keep it like this. And because in numerator you have h in the expression, so that's why I cannot take operation for this one. I cannot write down the final answer because I don't know about the value of x, but I can keep my writing like this. So 5x plus 4 over 10 is my final answer for question 1. For question 2, we have the same method. The first one, I will write down inside the brackets 10 and 7 inside bracket for second fraction. So the first step, you got 10h over 70 and 21 over 70. And the next one, I will have 10h minus 21 in numerator over 70 in denominator. Yeah, you can see that's the same thing to fraction. Yeah, when you have variable in the expression, a little bit harder, but just a little. Okay, question 3, 7 over 3 plus h over 5. Okay, so the first fraction, you have 5 inside the bracket, and the second one, you have 3 inside the bracket. And then the next step, I will take multiplication. 7 and 5, you got 35. 3 and 5, you got 50. And 3 times x, very easy, you got 3x. 5 times 3, you got 15. So 35 plus 3x like this. A little harder for question 4 because you have integer here. But integer, you can change it to fractional form. 4 over 1. The first, second, and then take operation. X times 1 equals x. 6 times 1 equals 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. 1 times 6 equals 6. So the final answer, x plus 24 over 6 like this. Okay, that is question 4. Question 5, h over 7. 3, okay, 3 over 1. After this step, I will write down 1 in here and 7 in here. So h over 7 minus 21 over 7. And then you got h minus 21 over 7 like this. Okay, the next one, you got, 3 inside the bracket, 8 inside the bracket, the first number and the second number, and 3h over 24 for first fraction. 16 over 24 for second expression. And then we take addition in numerator over 24 here. That is question 6. Question 7. Oh, you have x here. So you can change from x become to fractional form like h over 1. So h over 1 is mean 1 here and 5 here. The same thing. 9 over 5 plus 5x over 5. So you got 9 plus 5 8 over 5. Okay, so the first one you got 8. Same thing, just like question 7. Change it to fractional form, and then we determine first denominator and second denominator. This one is 3, and the second bracket is 1. Okay, 3x over 3 plus 7 over 3. Okay, so you got 3x plus 7 divided by 3. Yes. Question 9, 5 and 3. So 3 here, 5 here. 4 over 5 times 3, both numerator and denominator, you got 12 over 15, 5x over 15. Oh, sorry, this is not plus, this is minus. And then you take subtraction in numerator over 15. Question 10, 3, 2, 2, 3. 2x over 6 is very easy for calculating this question, right? 3x over 6. Oh, for question 10, you can note here, you have x in the first fraction and you also have x in second fraction. It doesn't matter. It cannot change your operation because the same method for addition or subtraction fraction. You have to change different denominator become to equal denominator. So the first fraction you got 3 in denominator, the second one you got 2 in denominator. So the first task for this operation is changes become to the same denominator. That's all. Okay, so that's why you have this one. And 2x plus 3x, we have something here. 2x plus 3x, that is expression, and it is possible to simplify. You have 5x. So 5x over 6 is my final answer for this question. It's not 2x plus 3x over 6. Yeah, you can simplify it become to 5x over 6 like this. So this is your final answer for question 10. A little bit harder, but I think you can understand because you already learned about expression with variable. Question 11. Oh, you also have x in both fractions in here. X and x here, so the first one is 5, the second one is 3. Okay, so you have 5x over 15, and the second one you got 3x over 15, and 5x plus 3x over 15, and then you got 8x over 15 because 5x plus 3x equal to 8x. Okay, so how about this one? This is a little harder because you can see you have no x in first fraction, you have 2x. So what does that mean? You have 5 in the first and you got 3 in the second fraction. So this operation is mean you will take 2x multiplied by 5. 2x multiplied by 5 is mean 10x, and here is 15, and this one is 3x, and this one 15. So numerator you got 10x minus 3x over 15 over 15. So you got 7x over 15 is my final answer for question 12. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can hope you understand about this video. It's not easy, of course, but when you understand about this kind of exercise, your math will be improved. Thank you.